Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me back here today. Today I am excited. We are making some sorrel rum punch today. It's the holiday season, so you know we're in sorrel season, or hibiscus as some of you guys call it. Let me show you how I make it. Come on, let's go. We're making a festive sorrel rum punch for the holiday season using my homemade sorrel juice. For this festive sorrel rum punch, you are going to need 1 cup of sorrel juice, and I'm using my homemade sorrel juice. 1 to 2 tablespoons of simple syrup, depending on how sweet you like it, guys. In here I have 2 tablespoons of simple syrup, 2 tablespoons of ginger juice, the juice of 1 lemon, a splash of bitters, 2 ounces of light or dark rum. Today I'm using light rum, but you can go ahead and use light or dark rum for this rum punch, guys. The sorrel brings the floral, tart, holiday flavor. Ginger gives the heat. The rum warms it up. The lemon brightens it up. The simple syrup and the bitters balances the tang. Let's start putting it together. In a shaker or glass, you add your ice, your sorrel juice, your rum, ginger juice, your simple syrup, a dash of bitters, the juice of 1 lemon, put the top on, give it a nice vigorous shake. Add some ice to your glass, and I made my ice mold with some sorrel petals in there. I'm going pour this into your glass. Garnish with some sorrel petals, cinnamon stick, some star anise, and enjoy. Guys, look how beautiful it is. And this is how I make my delicious, flavorful, festive sorrel rum punch for the holiday season. Perfect for any holiday gathering. Try it and let me know how you like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you've ever had sorrel rum punch before, let me know in the comment section. If you've never had sorrel rum punch before, but you're going to try out this recipe, please also let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please stay tuned as I bring you more flavorful videos right here on this channel. Delicious. Guys, I wish you guys could taste this. Until the next time, bye guys. Cheers.